Good morning, students. Do you know how many letters are there in English alphabets? There are 26 letters in English alphabets. How many letters? 26 letters. A to Z. 26 letters are there in English alphabets. So yesterday we have learned about vowels. How many vowels are there? Yes, very good. There are 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. Today we will learn 3-letter words. A साउंड, जिसमें ए साउंड आता है वो लेटर्स हम लोग लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. RAT रैट, CAT कैट, BAT बैट, MAT मैट, HAT हैट. इनमें सब में AT लगा. अभी MAN, इसमें AN जोड़ेंगे. MAN मैन, CAN कैन, FAN फैन, PAN पैन, VAN van. These are sound of A words. So your homework is learn sound of A words. Say loudly and write. Okay. Bye students.